Hey guys, Rhonda Nickerson here. I am going to be doing a fast forward video showing you how I make this awesome Valentine's bow. But before we get started with the video, I wanted to teach you guys how I actually pick things for my wreaths. I know I get this question a lot. How do you always pick the perfect ribbons and perfect mesh for your wreaths? So this is how I do it. I either take a ribbon that I love or a sign that I love, and I use that as my inspiration. So when I was getting ready to make this wreath and I was online, I took this particular sign, all right? I came into my craft room. I saw what I already had so that I will not be buying the same ribbons or ribbons unnecessarily. I'm trying to do that this year and using what I have and not buying too much, right? So I took this sign and I looked at the colors. It was pinks, it was reds, whites, and blacks. And so that is how I actually picked my ribbon for this particular wreath, okay? I just took this sign and used this as my inspiration for what I will be using in my particular wreath. So I hope this helps, all right? All right, guys, here's the fast forward video. Enjoy. All right, guys, first things first, I use 5 ribbon with this particular bow, 3 2.5 and 2 1.5. So I measure my first tail at 11 inches, and then I measure 2 loops on each side at 6 inches. I always make sure that my loops are even. All right, I'm going to go on to my next one, and each one that I do, I'm going to go in 1 inch. So this one on my second row has 2 loops on each side at 5 inches. So now on my third row of ribbon, this hearted ribbon, I'm only using 1 loop on each side, and I am doing those at 4 inches each one. This next one, I'm doing 3 inches, doing 2 on each side. And the pink, I'm only making 1 little loop in the inside, so this could be my center loop. I then take a zip tie, lift my ribbon up a little bit, and then put it underneath the bow. I then lift it up and make sure that everything is right before I pull this zip tie tight. I also make sure that I put a pipe cleaner in there so that I'll have something to tie my bow on to the wreath. All right, now you'll see me here. I'm just making sure that everything is straight before I actually pull that zip tie totally tight. I'm inserting the pipe cleaner and then pulling tight. I'm now getting a piece of ribbon that is about 8 inches, and I'm going to tie this in the middle. So when I am tying on this middle piece, I like to make sure that the pipe cleaner is open going to the left and right, and that the piece that I'm tying on is in the center of those 2 pieces. All right, here I am again, making sure that my bow is straight and making sure that everything is in place. And now I'm going to get ready to cut my tails. So when I am cutting my tails, I like for my tails to look like they are a dovetail. And here's an example. As you see, when I put the 2 pieces together, it looks like a dovetail. Left side, you angle and cut up. Right side, you angle and cut up. So now we want our tails to pop. So I'm going to take each one and make them into little curly cues. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like, follow, all that good stuff on all of our social media. All right, until next time, guys. Bye for now.